Okay students, let's start our new topic, some special limit. So we have already completed our limit chapter and this is the next to the limit chapter, some special limit. Is it? And I am your principal degree college of principal biology degree college. Okay, and your maths are also. Is it? So let's start our new topic, some special limit. So in this particular chapter we will deal with some exceptional limit, like limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Number 2, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is also 1. Number 3, limit x tends to 0, log base e 1 plus x by x equal to 1. Number 4, limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Yes, what is this e? This particular e. This e is called exponential. And like your acceleration due to gravity g, it has a constant value, that is 2.7182. so this is your e, a special number in mathematics. This is exponential. Okay, this e all are exponential. Okay, so 4 formula there again. Number 5, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x is log base EA. This log base EA can be written as ln log. Is it? Okay. Now, number 6. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x is equal to e. And number 7, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x equal to again e. Is it? Okay. So we can prove this formula. Okay, but as it is not included in your course, we should not prove it. Okay, हमको ये proof नहीं करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये syllabus में नहीं है. Using this formula we can solve numbers. Okay, only for problems. For example, let us use this particular formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. sin x by x, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करके हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे, जैसे कि लिमिट, अच्छा और एक चीज देखो तो, लिमिट x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. This implies we can write limit p tends to 0, sin p by p. This is also 1. Now we can write limit z tends to 0, sin z by z is also 1. ताऊ तो यूट्यूब ले लेंगे, तो अपना पढ़ लेंगे तो नहीं सर करो बस so what? Okay, so now suppose the question is, here is your question. The question is limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by 5x. So we can resolve this particular number into this form or this form or this form. Okay, so here is limit x tends to sin 3x by 5x. 3x can never be converted into x form. Okay, so let this particular term 3x as usual. So this equal to limit x tends to 0 sin 3x by 3x into 3x by 5x. Is it? We divide 3x and again multiply 3x. Is it? So now this equal to limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means 3x tends to 3 into 0. That is again 0. Limit 3x tends to 0 sin 3x by 3x into x cancel, it is 3 by 5. Now let us assume 3x as your p. Limit p tends to 0 sin p by p. What? Limit p tends to 0 sin p by p is equal to 1. So this is 1. 1 into 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Okay. So the answer is 3 by 5. So we have to convert all the numbers. We have to convert all the numbers in form of sin x by x. Is it? Is it? Again, another number. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. We have to take this number into a form which is similar to this form. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. Then only we can put it is 1. Okay? So let's think what to do here. How can we convert this form into sin x by x form? Okay? Let's think what to do. What to do to get sine form. Okay, we know sin x or sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So first of all we do like this, 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x by x square into 1 plus cos x. We multiply 1 plus cos x at the numerator and the denominator, so that 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x will be 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. Okay. So this equal to limit x tends to 0. This is 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x is 1 minus cos square x by x square into 1 plus cos x. Now it is this equal to limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos square x is surely sin square x, because sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Is it? So it is sin square x by x square into 1 plus cos x is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into sin x by x into 1 by 1 plus cos x. Is it? Did you understand? So this equal to limit can be splitted for the three factors. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 another sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 1 by 1 plus cos x. Is it? This is limit x tends to 0 first sin x by x another sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1 into another 1 into 1 by 1 plus cos 0. X equal to 0 can be put directly because no 0 by 0 form is there. If we put x is equal to 0 here, that is sin 0 by 0. Sin 0 is itself 0, 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is meaningless. We cannot put x is equal to 0 here. But we have a formula, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1, because x tends to 0, x is not equal to 0. So we cannot put x is equal to 0 here, because x is not equal to 0. But here it is not in 0 by 0 form. We can put x is equal to 0 here, so it is cos 0. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 by 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is again 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So the value is 1 by 2. Is it? Okay. Okay. So can I erase? Now, another question. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos cube x by sin square x. So this is same as limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos x plus cos square x, because it is a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab, 1 into cos x plus b square by sin square x. This sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Is it? So this equal to limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x plus cos square x whole by 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. Now 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x cancelled. This is equal to limit x tends to 0. 1 plus cos x plus cos square x by 1 plus cos x. Now, it is not at all in 0 by 0 form. It is not at all in 0 by 0 form. Okay, because cos 0 is equal to 1, another cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus cos 0 plus cos square 0 by 1 plus cos 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 square, this is 1 square is 1. By 1 plus 1. I can write 1 square also here because it is cos square 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Is it? So the answer is 3 by 2.